everybody? Welcome back to the channel.
Hey, what's going on, y'all? We real excited about something we got to talk to y'all about today and why we chose who we chose.
Yeah. So, y'all stay tuned because we are going to talk about Nomad Internet.
Yeah, baby.
All right, y'all. So, let's get into it.
Let's get into it, baby. We're going to tell everybody why we chose Nomad as our internet provider. Many of our followers know, people who have been a part of our channel, African Dreaming, for a while. Now, recently, we are back in the United States, Texas, as a matter of fact. And, spent some time in Africa, but we back home for a while. And we live in a rural area in East Texas. The internet, to be polite about it, is less than
it's garbage, y'all. It serves the purposes, if you're streaming and stuff like that, not a lot of streaming, then it serves the purpose of that. But, sometimes. But us being content creators, having strong internet is very, very, very important. And again, we're in a rural area.
Yes.
And the internet, it just wasn't cutting it. So we looked around, we checked out a few different providers. The cost, for one, was ridiculous.
Oh my gosh!
Some of the costs, if you get an internet, you get an internet package. You have to get a home phone service, and you have to get what is it?
The home phone
satellite,
like the bundle
internet cable.
Yeah,
you get cable, a whole package in order to get the internet at a good rate. But we only have internet. We like the service so far.
We love the service so far.
Pretty good.
Absolutely.
So
I mean, like, honestly, y'all, this is our Nomad review. We've had the service for a while now. Before we mentioned anything or said anything about it, we wanted to use it for a while, so we could really see what it would be like when it's rainy, when there's heavy cloud coverage, when it's snow. You know what I'm saying?
Yep.
So we've been through all of those cycles, all of those phases, and Nomad has proven true. Yep. And that's why we're sharing it with y'all.
Yep. And you guys have actually seen the difference for yourself. You guys check this out.
Show them, baby. Show them. On the right is after Nomad. On the left, our previous service provider. Look how pixelated and choppy.
I saw how choppy it was when we had our old internet provider versus when we changed over to Nomad. It was an amazing difference.
Night and day.
Yeah. We weren't pixelated or grainy
or choppy. Even the audio cutting out in and out.
Yeah. It's very smooth video. So y'all have even seen it. You guys have asked us. So we just wanted to tell y'all what was going on, and we went with Nomad. So
absolutely.
Yeah, and that's why we chose it. And it's working for us.
Yes.
We've had great success with it so far. If anything changes, we will let you guys know.
Right.
But so far, so good.
Man, no complaints.
Right. It's truly unlimited internet. They don't throttle you down. Because our old internet provider, they did throttle us down. Also on our phones. We
also on our phones.
Too, to see the difference.
And that's something, can I mention real quick, babe? So there's been times in our location, in our area, we have been, because the previous internet was so horrible that we relied on LTE. The nearest cell tower is miles away from us. But with Nomad, we still getting peak signal. I mean, it's like, it's hard to, like, you really have to experience it to see it for yourself, because even when our internet on our phones via LTE, now they both work off cell towers. Your phone work off a cell tower, and the Nomad, which we'll show y'all in a minute, the modem, it also works off of cell towers, but the way that it pulls in the signal it's amazing.
Yeah, so far it's been amazing. And there's other ones out there. We looked into Starlink also.
We did look into Starlink,
which is expensive, very expensive. So we chose not to go with that service because it's bulky. For one, you have to have the satellite, the dish. You have to take that with you, and if it's cloudy or rainy, the signal still might not be great.
Right. Now, that's nothing against Starlink, because we've heard some great stories about Starlink, but for us, the reason that we chose Nomad is of the modem for your Nomad. As you can see, this is about how wide, length, times height, times width. Uh-oh. And you see, as long as you got that green flashing light right there, you good to go.
Yep.
You great.
And it was easy to get everything started. We ordered it. It came in the mail.
Matter of days.
Plugged it in and waited for it to catch the signal. And the light is turning green. It's blinking. If you have a blue light blinking, that you still have service. Green light is better service. You have your ports back here. Have a Ethernet cable here.
Which it comes with the Ethernet cable.
It comes with the Ethernet cord. That's your power source there. And then you have the SIM cards, and it comes with the SIM card for the service, and then whatever that is back there. But,
those are the antennas. Those are two of the antennas.
Yeah.
But the thing is, y'all, you really, really, literally plug and activate.
Plug and play. Yeah.
Plug and play. You plug, activate, and within a matter of minutes, you good to go. You have prime internet by our standards.
And it also gives you guest Wi-Fi.
Mm-hmm.
So if you have guests and they can run off this and not use your password, it can be you have a guest password also on this guy. So it gives you everything you need. In the app, you go to the app, and that's how you activate it. You download the Nomad app, you go through the app and do everything you need to do. Put in the numbers that are on the bottom of your modem and set everything up.
Have to buy the hardware, the modem.
Right.
By the way, check in the description down below. If you're interested, you could always use African Dreaming, as you see it on your screen, 10. That's African Dreaming 10. Use our discount code.
Yep.
Plus, I believe there's several sales going on right now, so you might want to get over there and check it out a little bit.
Yep. And when you get your modem and you plug it in and everything, you pay for the service. You have to pay for the service now. I'm just telling you guys those little tidbits. So, you pay for the service up front. After you get the modem and activate it, you pay for the service. Then you get a week trial.
7 days.
7 days. And if you're not happy with the service, then you get your money back for the internet package that you signed up for. So, but I think you guys will be happy with it. But
I couldn't see you not being happy with it. Not the way that this worked for us when it was so hard before.
It was.
Y'all just saw the example that we put in this video, and for our followers, for people who support us, y'all saw what our internet looked like before we got Nomad in our life. And one other point I wanted to make, you see this right here? Okay, this is the power cord. This is readily available to travel. Yes. It is ready to go. You can take this internet on the road with you, and it works just like how it does. Now, we're going to do a separate video at a little bit later time showing y'all how deep out past the timberline, in the woods, at the campsites, at the lake, fishing, and Nomad is still firing off like a charm. So that's really important. I mean, we're even going to show y'all some dead zones as far as your cell connectivity. Your phone might not work, but Nomad is so impressive because it's still capturing a signal from not just the closest tower, the tower with the best signal, which is absolutely amazing in our opinion.
Absolutely. And there's several different, there's 2 packages you can get. They're both unlimited. You can go to the website and check those out. And also this is the Nomad Air. They also have the Nomad Omega, which is for home, just for home. This is for travel.
Yes.
Or home.
Yes.
The Nomad Omega is for home, like a home router, and modem like this, but it's better. It's more geared towards gamers, or for faster speeds with the gaming.
Faster speeds, so you're not getting lag. If you're a hardcore gamer and you hate your game lagging, you can stay up to speed while you're gaming. And another thing about this particular modem that we have, the capability is supposed to be up to 30 devices. Now we have them maxed out.
I think it's actually more than that, but
possibly.
I think it's more than that.
Maybe over 30.
I'm pretty sure.
Now we have maxed out at 10, without a problem. We talking about televisions, phones, computers, everything Wi-Fi connected to this modem, and never skip the beat. No lagging, no stalling, no drops. Nope. So
yeah.
I was gonna say very quickly, babe, like y'all, don't think that just because we're in a rural area, we in rural East Texas, that you cannot use this in the city. It doesn't matter where you are. In fact, it will probably work better for you in a more densely populated area because you got access to more cell towers. So as baby said earlier, as my lovely wife April said earlier, when it comes to the packages that some people are forced into because you have to have the phone with it, you have to have this with it, you have to have that, you could just get a Nomad wireless router, take it with you mobily, and have some of the best internet that we've ever had with any company.
Yep. So y'all, that's our Nomad Internet review. Yeah, go Nomad.
We love it.
We love it. Again, you can go to our go to African Dreaming, and our discount link is in our About section. Or when you go over to Nomad and you make your purchase, right here, we're going to put it down here. We're going to put it down here so you can see it. You can use promo code AfricanDreaming10 to get 10% off of your purchase.
Sound good to me.
Yeah.
Yeah. Why wouldn't you?
Why wouldn't you? It's Nomad.
Yes.
Go crazy.
Hey, big shout out to Nomad. Big shout out to Nomad. We are so proud to be affiliates with this company. We support everything that we've seen from them so far. They have not let us down, and I'm sure they won't let you down as well. Go use our link. Go over to the site. Check them out. You can check your coverage area. You can check your coverage area preemptively and see if your area is a good fit or not.
Right. Yep. You can go to nomadinternet.com and you can look at all the information there. You can look at their pricing packages. You can look at the modems that they offer. And you can get all your questions answered over there. So,
Right. Hey, y'all know, April and myself, we take this seriously. We don't put our name out there connected to anything unless we really believe in it and or support it. And Nomad, better than great. Better than expected. We couldn't have asked for more. So,
yeah. So, we appreciate y'all. Thank y'all for watching this review on Nomad Internet. Again, if you're interested, please check our link in the bio. And also, if you go over to nomadinternet.com and you're interested and you go through with the purchase, make sure you put in promo code AfricanDreaming10 to get 10% off.
Yes. Yeah. Make sure you click that thumbs up. Make sure you hit the subscribe button if you don't mind. If you're interested in content like this, please leave a comment. Let us know what you think. Thank y'all so much for spending time with us, and we appreciate you, and we'll see y'all on the next one.
Peace.
Peace.